Hello viewers, today in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp status not showing problem. To do this, at first check your internet connection. And then go your phone settings. Scroll down little bit. Now tap on apps. Tap on apps management. And then right here WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Now scroll down again. Tap on storage. And then tap on clear cache. After tap on clear cache, go back on step. Now tap on permission manager. You can see many options. All options must be allowed. After allow all options, go back your home screen. Now tap on Play Store application. Tap on search icon. And then right here WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. Update your WhatsApp application if it is available. My WhatsApp application already updated. Then open it. And now tap on 3 dot icon in the corner. Tap on settings. And now click on privacy. And tap on status. And now select to my contacts. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. If this method doesn't work for you, then it might be a server issue. Wait 13 to 15 minutes and try again later. Thank you.